out that easily. Oh, guess we're starting with a little plumbing. Match the ball to the pipe by color. Just watch what happens next. They'll each become a Sprunki semi-bot. No guess who this one's going to be? Oh, I stand corrected. Nothing happened. Well, there are 2 ways to make green. The recipe's simple. Mix yellow and blue. Now just add the paint to a roller. And apply a fresh coat of chartreuse. When it comes to the hair, Veneria's proud of her dark roots. As for the flowers, it's time to think pink. Wow, talk about a transformation! Veneria's in really good spirits right now. It looks like this next game is one for the heavyweights. And it looks like we've got our next contestants, orange and green semi-bot. By the looks of it, you need to raise $1,000. Or at least a bunch of stuff worth that much. Let's get looking. Good thing you've got a flashlight. It's a maze down here. Ooh, this watch doesn't look too cheap. What else? A vase! Let's hope it's an antique. Look in that corner. Ooh, you know that phone really is an antique. Ah, diamonds are truly a semi-bot's best friend. Is that the ducky that lays the golden egg? Careful, it's an apex predator. Maybe this will help. Sorry, you might find yourself dribbling. Wow, that's some extra strength lip balm. Easter came early. It's a golden egg. Looks like the price is right. Step on down, Oren. Guess someone's back to the old self. Now here's a classic, a CD-ROM game. Mr. Fun Computer will help us play it. Guess it's bottoms up for the semi-bots. But let's help you become somebody. Next, some arms. And you'll need a good head on your shoulders. Pretty sure the head needs to match with the others. Second time's the charm. On to the next level. Make it through the game and avoid Headman. Good thing you've got more than one life. Probably best to get out from under. You'll be on top. And get ears while we're at it. Things are looking rosy for Pinky. Ooh, some of our Sprunki friends are feeling lonely. But it's nothing Cupid's arrow can't cure. And yellow and pink make light orange? I want to say beige.
Yes!
Next, purple and green. Is that where puce comes from? By process of elimination, even a semi-bot can find love. I don't think those are tears of joy, but it's okay. Matters of the heart can always be fixed with a makeover. Now that's cutting to the heart of the matter. A coat of paint can freshen things up. Now spin the wheel. Who'd we get? Disgust? Let's try again. Labubu? Let's aim for something blue. Third time's the charm. We got Sky. But if you can't handle him at his semi-bot, then I think he's better off on Cloud 9. Yes! Oh no! D.R.E.P.O's missing. Well, we can just make a new one. This doesn't seem right. Let's start over from scratch. Okay, then can you bring in the next guy? Blue? Well, we're getting closer, but we're not there yet. Stay close by. We might need you soon. What we really need is a splash of red. Now, what do you get when you mix red and blue? The French flag. And also purple. That too. Guess it was at full capacity. Well, we'll just have to build you back up. See? It's like D.R.E.P.O's with us once again.
Wow!
Hold on. It was D.R.E.P.O after all, somehow. Either way, spread your wings. You're on your way. Guess who's back? It's Headman, and he's hungry. Looks like royalty. Can money really solve all your problems? Guess not. Hope that crown doesn't go down easy. Never mind. Guess Wendabot's got science on her side.
Aww, yes!
We just need to find the right formula. Hold on. I think everything needs to match. Voila! We just need to move things until everything's lined up. Soon, we'll have wood, nails, and a hammer. We can use this stuff to build a bridge. Besides, Headman always wanted his own hat. Look, Wenda's feeling herself again. And it looks like heaven isn't missing any angels anymore.
Looks like it's Sprunki time again. But this time, it comes with a perfect twist. That's right, everybody wants to be a cat. Let the feline fun begin. Shine a light. Uh-oh, it looks like the claws are coming out. Okay, spray bottle, do your thing. Now let's take a trip to see where the real cool cats go. But things are getting dramatic. What's Black Cat up to? Oh no! He knows your combination! Or is that just his safe? Let's hope so, because he's making some withdrawals. That alarm makes me think it's not his. So that explains why he brought Orin along. You might be orange, but you've been caught red-handed. On the plus side, you already got an orange suit. Sort of. Don't worry, Orin. We'll sneak you a treat. And it's got a special surprise inside. I think we've got a problem. Don't worry, it's gotta come out somehow. Get scooping. It's cheaper than hiring a lawyer. I would have worn gloves, but time is of the essence. Okay, kitty cat, make like a fox and sneak on out. Uh-oh, it's a maze in here, and it's a messy one. Careful, this maze is a really interactive one. Either we fire that Minotaur or get him a litter box. Hurry, Orin! We drew you a way out! Next up, a locked door. Looks like we've got to solve an equation. Got a calculator? Well, some combination must be right. Don't worry, we've got our minifigs to help. If you know how to count, adding's the next best step. Seriously, arithmetic's a slippery slope. See, we're already doing subtraction, and with bugs too. Just take away the number and count. Let's try 3. Aha! Just one more to go. Personally, I prefer multiplication when it comes to jewels. Well, I guess there's just one left standing. And we're on our way out of here. Bugs and doors? What, out of chutes and ladders? Either way, let's roll the dice. And maybe roll up a newspaper. A key! Think it'll come in handy? It did! Uh-oh, another bug! Where's that shoe? Step to it. And look, we got another key. One last bug left. And we've got something special, a shovel. The final door! Now ease on out of here. They say it's always good to feel wanted, but this feels like a good counter-argument. Well, guess someone's getting a makeover. A sombrero, a bow tie, and purple shoes. Looks like it's time for another makeover. Next, a cowboy hat, goofy glasses. Voila! Well, at least the cape matches the hat. Let's find Pinky and clear your name. Oh no, don't scream! See, it's just Orin. Yeah! Uh-oh, here comes the third wheel. Hey, are these two having a cat fight? Wow, fighting must be good exercise. Seriously, I can see right through them. In the end, only one cat is left standing. What a happy ending. Wait, we returned the jewels, right?